Making money with maple syrup. Making money with maple syrup is a long-standing tradition in many parts of North America. Maple syrup production is an industry that has been around since the mid-1600s and is still popular today. Maple syrup is a type of natural sweetener derived from the sap of maple trees. The sap is boiled down to create a concentrated syrup which is then used for baking, on pancakes, or to make crepes and other sweet treats. For maple syrup producers, the process of making money with maple syrup starts with tapping trees. Much like harvesting apples or other fruits, maple syrup producers tap into maple trees and collect the sap that is secreted from the tree. Once the sap is collected, it is boiled down in a process called sugaring, which concentrates the sap and creates the maple syrup. For producers, the process of making money with maple syrup involves managing and maintaining a maple tree tapping operation, ensuring that the sap is safely collected and boiled correctly, and then packaging and labeling the syrup for distribution. Additionally, producers must be sure to grade the syrup to ensure it meets the standards for quality and taste. Maple syrup is graded based on its color and flavor, and the grading can range from light amber syrup to dark amber. The darker the color, the more intense the taste. Once the syrup is produced, it must be packaged and labeled properly for sale. Maple syrup can come in a range of packaging, from cans to jugs to plastic bottles, and must be labeled according to federal regulations. Maple syrup producers must also be aware of state laws and regulations regarding the production and sale of maple syrup. For those looking to make money with maple syrup, there are a few options available. Producers can either sell the syrup directly to consumers or through distributors. Producers can also sell bulk orders to restaurants or grocery stores, or they can package their own syrup and sell it through their own website or at farmers markets. Due to the rise in popularity of maple syrup, there are now a number of ways to make money with maple syrup. With a little bit of research and a commitment to quality, there is a great potential to make a decent profit off of maple syrup production.